A new compact 60% keyboard has arrived, but not just ordinary 60%. This keyboard is the Everest 60 from Mount. It has a lot of unique features such as Detachable Numpad, which you can attach to the left or right side of the keyboard using its cordless magnetic Type-C connector with no ports visible thanks to its magnetic cover. It automatically recognized the numpad and synced the RGB lighting, which is kinda awesome. Next is the multiple Type-C ports for better and efficient cable managing. I find this very convenient, especially if I want to route my wires from left to the right or from right to the left. It is of course hot swappable in a 3-pin and 5-pin socket. And speaking of hot swappable, this keyboard comes with a mountain switches that comes pre-lubed and cherry stabilizers lubed and clipped. And the most exciting part is this multiple layers of foam and silicone dampening for better sound acoustics. Though it's a 60% form factor, it has a custom layout with arrow keys, so it's like 65% keyboard in a 60% form factor. It also has a PBT keycaps and aluminum faceplate with 360 RGB lighting for guaranteed premium look and feel. For the customizations in software, this keyboard has a Basecamp software which you can customize your lighting effect, key binding just like what I did. I created the media keys using this extended numpad, macro keys, and settings. You can create 5 different profiles with different configurations that suits your playstyle.